Hi everyone, hope you are well today. I'm standing here in one of my favorite supermarkets, which is Richie's IGA. I am but I am in Sydney. So when this particular supermarket is just around the road from my house, and it's got the most fabulous aisles of health food on almost any supermarket that I've been into. This is Richie's IGA, which is in Tamari Point, and the reason I'm in Richie's today is I've actually come to purchase some Tamari, and I thought I would do a video with you guys so you can see the differences in Tamari, because I know it's a question that comes up quite often. Which Tamari should I buy? Which brand? All that sort of stuff. So I'm going to turn the video around so you can see the shelves that are in front of me now. Alright, okay, you will see that I've actually got 3 different bottles of Tamari. They're all coming from the same brand, which is Spiral Foods, an Australian company that import a lot of their ingredients from Japan. But one of the things about Spiral is they do a lot of organics. Now, you do not have to buy Spiral, because as you can see, that is the cost of that 250ml bottle of Tamari, organic Tamari sauce right there. That's Australian, $8.79 a bottle's actually quite a lot of money. So you don't have to buy Spiral. In fact, I'm brand agnostic, which means I don't care what the brand is. What concerns me is what's on the back. So what are the ingredients in it? So I'm going to first go to this Tamari, which is just not organic, but it is still from Spiral. That one's coming in at $6.35 a bottle, which is still fairly expensive. And if I turn that bottle around, you will see that the ingredients on here, whoops, there it is. There we go, ingredients. Whole soybeans, water, sea salt, alcohol. Interesting, right? So there is no gluten in this Tamari, and it's one of the reasons why we use Tamari, because it is a gluten-free product. But you'll notice that they've actually added alcohol, and the amount of alcohol they've added into this one, and they use it as a preservative. I think that says 1.9% per volume is alcohol, so you might want to avoid that one if you are looking at that. Always check your labels. Let's go down to the organic one. Once again, the ingredients on the organic one is organic whole soybeans, water, sea salt, and once again, alcohol. Let's have a little look around. This one has 2.6% alcohol added as a preservative, so this is more than this bottle here. So once again, even though it's organic, you may want to avoid that. But once again, let's say check your labels. And let's just go down to the last Tamari that they have here on the shelf, and this is the salt reduced Tamari. So when you are looking at Tamari, no matter what brand you're looking at, if you can get the salt reduced or the low sodium Tamari, you are definitely winning, because obviously it's got less salt, which means it's less water retention on our bodies. So this particular Tamari, look at the ingredients. We've got whole soybeans, water, sea salt. Once again, we've got a little bit of alcohol. Let's turn around and see how much. Okay, this one's way better. This is only 0.5% alcohol per volume. So if you were to look at these 3 and you were to weigh it up, I would definitely go for this one. Salt reduced, less alcohol. But if you are on you've been really strict about your diet, there are alcohol-free versions as well that you can buy, other brands. But the key here is, guys, turn your bottle around. Always, if anything comes in a bottle or a jar, always read the labels. You need to know what's in there. You need to know what you're buying. And yeah, once again, that's quite expensive. Spiral do really nice food, but guess what? It's a bit more expensive than some of the other brands. So shop around. But I love this store, Richie's IGA in Tamari Point. They have the most gorgeous things. I'm just going to do a quick little spin because I want to show you guys all the different pastas they have, which are it's black bean spaghetti, edamame spaghetti. I know, crazy, right? We've got quinoa rice penne, all these different gluten-free pastas. It's pretty amazing. Those are the ones we use a lot. This is the Slendier, which are quite fantastic. But these guys rock. They just have so many different options in the store. Look at that, mung bean fettuccine, azuki bean spaghetti, lots of different options for us to try here, and I'll be playing around with a few of these recipes as well as we're going throughout this wonderful journey of having a healthier lifestyle. So that's my video on Tamari. If you've got any questions, let me know, and we'll talk soon. Thanks guys, bye.